Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add and subtract ng time. So parang ganito lang yan. It's basically like log division. Like for example, we have this. So what we're going to do is straight add them. So bring down 1, 8 plus 6, 8, 16, 14. So, wow, 14. Multiples ka na. Wait lang, sorry guys. 8 plus 6 is 14. So, 14 sa taas yung isa. 2, 24 ang sagot. So, gano'n lang siya. You're just going to straight add them. So, let's start. So, 5 hours and 18 minutes plus 3 hours and 24 minutes. So, ang unang gagawin natin is add 8 plus 4. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. Sa taas yan. 1 plus 1 is 2. And may 2 sa baba. 2 plus 2, 4. Next is 5 hours plus 3 hours. It's 7 hours. So, sagot dyan is 8 hours and 42 minutes. Next, we have a problem here, which is 7 plus 5, 12. Same thing lang siya na kanina, no? 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So, we got this. Notice na meron tayong 82 minutes, which is exceeding 60 minutes. Kasi sa loob ng isang oras, there's only 60 minutes. Kung di kayo over dyan, there's only 60 minutes. So, kung paano matanggal yung 82 minutes na yan is, we just basically need to ihiwalay ito. Going to 60. It's going, take the difference between this. It's 12. 12 or 22? 22. So, 82 minus 60 is 8. Yeah. Kung puro calculus algebra, parang hirap ka na So, gawin natin, i-convert natin itong 60. Ito ay 60 minutes. So, gawin natin yung 1 plus 1 hour. Kasi hours na yan. Ito is 22 minutes pa rin. Okay. So, 11 hour. So, dito is 11 hours. And 22 minutes. We just basically add the other term. Just convert it to an hour and then we have it. So next problem. So we have subtraction naman. So this is pretty straightforward then. Just 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is, wait lang. We have 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we have 6 hours and 23 minutes. See kung gaano kabilis. So now we have this problem. Subtract them straightforward. 7 minus 9 is 2. Or maybe gawin nyo na lang ganito. Para mas madali, hiwalay nyo dyan. We got 2 and 1. And they are negative. So 12. Negative 12 minutes. And form this will become 4 hours. Negative 12 minutes, 4 hours. Now we're going to add 60. We need to distribute the 60 minutes here. So, yung 4 hours malulos ng 3 hours. So, mag-add tayo dyan. Magiging 42 minutes. So, there you go. This is the answer for number 4. So, repeat natin yung ginawa natin. Straightforward, ano na siya, subtraction. So, 27 minus 39 is negative 12. And then, straightforward, 8 minus 4 is 4 hours. Ngayon, we have a negative number here, which means, magbabawas tayo dito sa 4 hours ng isang hours. Then, convert ko siya sa minutes para maging addable siya. Pareho-pareho sila ng same units. So, 60 plus 12, 60 minus 12, is, we can borrow 1 here, we got 8 here, 5 dyan, 40. Oh, 48, okay. Buti chinek ko, no? May ba mistake? Sorry. So, 48 minutes. Okay, sorry guys. There you go. So, that's the answer. Thank you for watching this video. And then, have a good day.